Here we are going to study how to draw a cam profile with knife edge follower without offset. That means here the knife edge follower is a radial type. Okay. So I have already drawn the displacement diagram for the problem. So this is our displacement diagram. During the ascent it is SHM and during the return it is constant velocity. Ascent is 150 degree and descent is 100 degree. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding the drawing of a follower displacement diagram, you can view my previous videos. Okay. So these are the given parameters in the question. The follower type is knife edge follower. Lift of the follower is 30 mm. That is taken in the y-axis of the follower displacement diagram. And the motion of the follower: rise for 150 degree using simple harmonic motion, dwell at 60 degree, return for 100 using constant velocity, dwell at the remaining is 50 degree. That is also shown in this diagram. Based on that, I have drawn the follower displacement diagram. Okay. Going to the cam profile. So before starting the cam profile, one more thing we need to know, that is the minimum radius of the cam or base circle radius. It is given in the question as 20 mm. So first is to draw a circle of radius 20. That means a diameter 40. Okay. After drawing the base circle, I have to construct a vertical line. I am showing it step by step. Okay. No drawing. Draw a vertical line from the center in the upward direction. And you have to show the type of follower. Here the type of follower is knife edge follower. It will be given in the question. The type of follower is knife edge follower. Okay. So I am drawing my knife edge follower. This is my knife edge follower, and you should show the guide. Okay. After that, after drawing the knife edge follower, we have to show the partitions for each type of motion. That is, first 150 degrees SHM, second is dwell for 60 degree, third portion is return using constant velocity for 100 degree, and fourth is dwell for the remain, that is 50 degree. So first is rise using SHM, that is 150 degree, dwell for 60 degree, constant velocity for 100 degree, and dwell for the remaining is 50 degree. Okay. So the partition I have made. Okay. So first portion is 150, 60, 100 and 50. You can take the partition in any direction. I now have taken the counterclockwise direction. If it is mentioned in the question clockwise or counterclockwise, you can take it like that. Okay. Here I am taking the counterclockwise direction. Okay. After that, we have to make the partition for SHM and constant velocity. In the displacement diagram, we have made partition for SHM as 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can read 6 section. And constant velocity as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 section. So I have to divide SHM into 6, that is 150 degree into 6, that means each section will be 25, and constant velocity, that is into 5 section, 100 degree divided by 5 will be 20. So I am dividing the 150 degree into 6 section, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that each section is 25 degree. And my constant velocity into 5 section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that each section is 20 degree. Okay. After that, we have to number it. Number it in the order. That is SHM, dwell, constant velocity, again dwell. So SHM, you can see the numbers start from 0 to 6, and constant velocity, that return motion, numbers start from 7 to 12. Okay. So marking the number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When it reaches 6, the 150 degree section is over. For 100 degree, it is starting from 7 and ending at 12. Okay. If there is any mistake in numbering, the diagram will be totally mistaken. Okay. So numbering should be perfect. After numbering, you have to take this distance and mark on the particular line. That is this distance. That is 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3, 3 dash, 4, 4 dash, 5, 5 dash, like that up to 11, 11 dash. You have to mark on the line. So 1, you have to extend this one, and using a compass you can copy the distance from the follower diagram and mark it. So okay, in the software I can do I cannot do like that. So here I have marked the distance like this. Okay, so you can see 1 dash is 2.01. So I have marked 1 dash as 2.01. 2 dash 7.5. You can check it. 2 dash is 7.5. 4 dash 22.53. 4 dash 22.53. 6 dash 30. 6 dash that is 30. That is total displacement of the follower. We can see 8 dash as 24. 8 dash as 24. 10 dash 12. 10 dash 12. Okay. You need not to mark the distance. You just extend the line and copy this distance from the follower diagram using a compass and mark it on that line. And mark the dash points also. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, up to 11 dash. Okay. 12 is on the base circle. So 12 is at the minimum point. So you need not to mark the dash point. Okay. After marking the dash point and all, you have to complete the curve. Okay. So I have drawn the curve using passing through the dash points. Okay. And the curve has reached 12. So you have to complete the portion. Only then the cam profile will be completed. Okay. So you have to connect this also. Right? 12, 12, 12, 0 you have to connect. So this will be the final diagram. Okay. Connecting to 12 and 0. Then only the profile will be complete. That is the last dwell period. Okay. So this is how we have to draw cam profile for a knife edge follower without offset. Thank you.